Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic: Technology.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Kindly show your support to this channel. So today we will talk about technology. Technology is a topic that is becoming increasingly important in today's environment. There is technology everywhere you look. Even the device on which you are listening to this video is technological. To put it another way, technology is when we apply science to real-world problems. For example, we combine the practical goal of communication with science to develop a phone in a mobile phone, which is a type of technology. Scientists produce technology which is truly wonderful. Scientists consider all of the things that humans will require in their lives and then create a fantastic device or object. Scientists, for example, recognized that we needed a way to connect with one another even when we are not in the same room. As a result, they developed a telephone that we may use to communicate with others even when we are not with them. Many diverse ideas such as this one we talked about are used by technology to make our lives easier and more problem-free. It aids us by reducing the amount of labor we have to do because technology performs much of our work for us. For the general public, technology is the most helpful type of science. In simple terms, technology is the process of transforming scientific concepts into gadgets and devices that are beneficial to us as humans. Almost everything we see around us is a product of or a form of technology. Technology is all around you, including game consoles such as Wii, PlayStation and Xbox, as well as mobile phones, iPads and laptops. The microwave, toaster, refrigerator and other appliances in our kitchen are all examples of technology. When we take something from the domain of science and turn it into something that humans can use, we call it technology. We must keep our food cold so that it does not spoil while we are outside in the heat. This scientific notation aided scientists in developing equipments that allow us to keep our food cold when we are not consuming it by using the refrigerator. However, we all enjoy eating hot meals. As a result, scientists invented the microwave to quickly heat food. Scientists exploited technology in this way to assist us all in our daily lives. In our daily lives, technology is extremely beneficial. Please kindly show your support to this channel by subscribing to my channel. So when we look about us, we notice a plethora of technological examples. The phone in our hands, the headphones we use to listen to music, the microwave we use to heat our food, and even the architecture of the buildings we live in all rely on technology in some way. In today's society, technology is so vital that it's nearly impossible to picture existence without it. Could you imagine what you did do if you couldn't watch TV every now and then? What would you do if you couldn't call your grandmother who lives far away every now and then? We would feel as though something was lacking in our lives if we didn't have the access to technology. Yes, if we think about it, that is how important technology in our life. The mobile phone, or more properly, the smartphone, is one of the best and most accessible types of technology. A smartphone is a mobile phone that can access the internet. They include a lot of type of complex features and a great example of technology. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For the general public, technology is most helpful type of science. In simple words, technology is a process of transforming scientific concepts into gadgets and devices that are beneficial to us as humans. Almost everything we use around us is a product or a form of technology. For example, the smartphone you're using right now is a communication device, and the refrigerator in your kitchen is a scientific device that keeps your food fresh and cool. These instances demonstrate how reliant we are on technology and how crucial it is in our daily lives. It's difficult to envision our existence without the use of technology. We tend to use our mobile phones for even the tiniest of communications. It is not only a fact of life, but it is also a requirement for everyone. In reality, the smartphone, which is the mobile phone that can connect to the internet, is quickly becoming one of the world's most popular and widely used kinds of technology. You can take pictures, access the internet, listen to music, and use social media on a smartphone. With the introduction of smartphone technology, not only it is possible to communicate with your friends, but also to do so many other things as previously said. As a result, the relevance of technology in today's world grows with each passing year. Scientists have accomplished a great deal in terms of technological advancement for humans, but we have a long way to go. Scientists produce technology which is truly wonderful. Scientists consider all of the things that humans will require in their lives and then create a fantastic device or object. Scientists, for example, recognize that we needed a way to communicate with one another even when we are not in the same room. So you might be thinking, what is technology? Technology is when a scientific concept is used to create the creation of anything that has a practical application in human existence. The telephone, for example, allows two people to communicate even when they are not physically there. What is the significance of technology? Technology is really important because it makes our life much easier and more comfortable. Walking to different locations, for example, can be exhausting. As a result, utilizing a car rather than walking to locations makes our life easier. What exactly do you mean when you say technical advancements? Technological advancements are when scientists make new discoveries in the field of technology that can help us improve our lives even further. What are some examples of technology in everyday life? Mobile phones to communicate with people, kitchen appliances, televisions, and so on are examples of technology in our everyday life. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you for watching.